Hello students, in this video I'll continue chapter 4 metals and non-metals. Already we have discussed the physical properties of metals and non-metals, and today I'll continue with the chemical properties of metals. First chemical property of metal is it reacts with oxygen. Metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides. So here I have taken few of the examples that how metals react with oxygen to form the oxide. First reaction is with the copper. When copper is heated, it combines with oxygen and form copper oxide. Similarly, when aluminium is heated, it combines with the oxygen and it form aluminium oxide. Here I have taken the examples of two metals, copper and aluminium only. More metals can react with oxygen to form the metal oxide. Like magnesium, when react with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide. And one more familiar example that you know, that iron reacts with oxygen and it forms the brownish colored substance known as rust. So I want to say that all metals react with oxygens to form the metal oxide. And one thing more you have to remember, that all metallic oxides are basic in nature. Next chemical property of metal is metal react with water. When metal react with water, it forms metal oxide or metal hydroxides are formed. So here I have taken few of the example. First example is of sodium. When sodium react with water, it forms sodium hydroxide and oxygen is released. In this way, few more examples has been taken here. See how potassium reacts, it forms a potassium hydroxide. One more example, calcium, when it reacts with water, calcium hydroxide is formed. And when aluminium reacts with water, aluminium oxides are formed. And when iron reacts with water, iron oxide is formed. So from these examples you have seen that when metals react with water, it can form metal oxide, as well as with some of the metal when react with oxygen, metal hydroxides are formed. Next chemical property of metal is it reacts with the acids. When metals react with the dilute acids, it forms salt and the hydrogen gas is liberated or hydrogen gas is evolved in that. So again few examples has been taken. First is of magnesium. When it reacts with hydrochloric acid, it forms magnesium chloride plus hydrogen is released. Similarly, when aluminium reacts with hydrochloric acid, it forms a aluminium chloride plus hydrogen gas is liberated. Similarly, I have taken two more examples of zinc and iron. Thank you.